are making paper peacock. Mommy, I don't know how to make this paper peacock. Can you show me?
Yes, of course. I will teach you how to make peacock
Yay!
with this origami paper. Can you show me this peacock? Wow. So are you ready? Okay, Aaradhya. So we take this blue paper for peacock's body part, and this is for its feather.
Okay.
So let's start with the body part, okay?
Okay.
First of all, we need a square origami paper.
Okay.
Now we turn it into the triangle shape.
Okay.
And now we open it and put it in a diamond shape, okay?
And put it in a diamond shape.
Yes.
Okay.
Now take care. Now we are going to make a joker cap.
A joker cap.
You can take it. Now from another side.
First, look at this peacock. Very beautiful, right?
It looks like a joker cap.
Yeah.
Okay. Now from this side. From this side, we hold it like this again with this matching place. Okay, we are going to match this place.
Okay, so how you're doing, Mom?
Oh, you see this shape? Now we turn this on the back side. Now check it out. We use this portion, okay? And we are going to fold this point and make it a triangle like this. Same size. Now
Okay, Mommy.
okay. And now we are going to make its neck. Okay. We turned it on the other side also.
Be careful, okay, Mommy? We don't want a giant giraffe neck.
Of course, we are not getting the giraffe neck. Okay, now we are going to open this
Okay.
and
And so, guys, we are making another paper peacock. So, Mommy is making for me because I don't know how to do it.
now for its face,
Just a practice.
gently press it here like this.
Okay.
And
Oh, it's looking a bit like a penguin.
so now our peacock is ready. Okay, now we make its feather.
Oh.
Okay, and after that we are going to decorate it.
Oh yeah, that is my fun. It's my funnest
For
part.
making its feather, we have to fold this paper like this.
Like a one. Oh, Mommy, don't forget over here. Yep.
Then we turn this paper.
And then we turn the paper. works. The tail works. Or let's test.
I need glue, Aaradhya.
Oh yeah. I put it on this side. Okay. So putting glue step is not so hard for me. That's okay. Now press it there. But first, get a peacock.
Now
It's
we take
done.
this peacock body and put it in
Put
the
it
center.
there. And now we press the tail line. And voila, we have a peacock. Papa peacock. Papa peacock. Papa
Press
peacock.
it, press it, press it.
And it looks great enough.
Well,
Voila!
how it looks?
Yeah, so much great.
Oh, I think now you learn this, how to make peacocks.
Yeah, now let's decorate it.
Yes.
Here I have purple to decorate the peacock's tail. And for safety under, we are also gonna get a cool eye. First, I'm gonna glue the eye on. But a little bit. Subscribe to my channel.